Rotarian Anil Singhal, District Governor 2026-27 of Rotary District 3070, is a remarkable industrialist, humanitarian, and spiritual leader whose journey reflects dedication, innovation, and service to society. He was born into a joint family, raised with strong values of unity and responsibility. With this foundation, he entered the industrial world at a very young age. In 1973, he established his first fertilizer manufacturing unit, which has now grown into a multi-location enterprise with operations in Mumbai, Daman, Silvassa, and even Sri Lanka. Mr. Singhal is recognized for several pioneering achievements in India's fertilizer and recycling sector. In 1977, he became the first in North India and second in India to use brass ash containing zinc.
प्रभु कृपा से मुझे 1977 में ब्रास ऐश जो कि वेस्ट है ब्रास फाउंड्रीज का, उससे जिंक स्लेट बनाने की उपलब्धि मिली, कामयाबी मिली। एंड आई वांट टू ऐड हेयर, ब्रास ऐश से सिर्फ पोल्यूशन बढ़ता था, लोगों ने अपने फैक्ट्रीज के अंदर भट्टी डाली हुई थी, उसका यूज़ शुरू किया। एंड उसके बाद में 1981 में उसी ब्रास ऐश को मैं अमेरिका से इंपोर्ट किया। आई वाज लकीली द फर्स्ट इंडियन टू इंपोर्ट दैट ब्रास ऐश टू इंडिया। अमेरिका में वो लोग उस ऐश को फेंकते थे। ये प्रभु की कृपा है, इससे इंडस्ट्री का भी फ़ायदा हुआ और पोल्यूशन भी कम हुई।
In 1979, he was the first in North India to import zinc ash from Australia, bringing modernization to the industry. Brass skimming, a significant step that promoted recycling of industrial waste and supported pollution reduction. His commitment to quality earned him the prestigious gold medal for zinc sulfate quality in 1986-87. Rotarian Singhal joined the Rotary Club of Amritsar Midtown in 1988, beginning a long and impactful journey of service. His passion and leadership soon became evident. He was honored as the best Rotarian of District 3070 in 1995-96. He served as club president twice, in 1996-97 and again in 1999-2000. Over the years, he has served in almost every major district position, contributing significantly to district growth. In 1999, he had the honor of leading the GSC team to Texas, USA, representing Rotary at an international level. Beyond Rotary, Rotarian Anil Singhal is deeply rooted in social, educational, and spiritual service. He joined Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan's Amritsar Kendra in 1991, the only Bhavans Kendra in Punjab. As vice chairman, he helps guide an institution known for imparting value-based quality education to over 4,900 students through 2 schools. The Kendra also runs a senior citizens' home and a daycare center for special children, making it a beacon of social responsibility. Since 1997, he has been a founder member of Chinmaya Mission Amritsar, a respected spiritual organization where he serves as vice president, contributing to the spread of spiritual knowledge and ethical values. He is also associated with several other respected institutions. He is connected with Dainik Bhaskar, Amritsar edition, part of India's largest newspaper group, helping strengthen media and community engagement. He is a member of the Institute for the Blind Amritsar, supporting education and care for visually impaired students. He also serves on the Durgyana Temple Management Committee, contributing to the preservation and smooth functioning of one of the Punjab's most revered spiritual centers. In addition, he is linked with several other social organizations, continuing his lifelong commitment to service. Across industry, education, spirituality, and social service, Rotarian Anil Singhal stands as a leader who blends vision with values. His life is a testament to the belief that success is meaningful only when it uplifts others. As he steps forward to lead Rotary District 3070 in 2026-27, he brings with him decades of experience, humility, and an unwavering commitment to service above self.